Hi all of you, back with another video on Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. So this video is all about Jenkins download. So in this video I am gonna showing you how to install Jenkins. In previous video I already showed you how to configure Jenkins, but in this video I am going to install it by clicking on this link. So you have to write here on Google on any browser Jenkins download. Alright, I think there is a spelling mistake. So now you have to click on this first link, Jenkins download and deployment. Jenkins.io is your website name, website URL. So now it's time to click. Now you have to download this LTS version. Let me show you. This is your LTS version. As you all can see here, this is your LTS version. So you have to download this war file, .war file. So when you click on this, the moment you click on this, the file is downloading. As you can see, it started downloading, and let me show you. This is your file of 87 MB. So now what you have to do, let me show you. So your file will download here. As you can see, this is your file, it is downloading, and this is, so you have to create a folder wherever you want. You have to create on desktop. You can wherever you want, you can create in this wherever you want to create. You have to create a folder. You can name anything, Jenkins war file, Jenkins, you can name anything. Now in that folder you will paste that file which is downloading. As you can see here, as you can see, my Jenkins war file is now downloaded. Let me show you. Let me do back. So now you can see that. Let me delete it because I have already downloaded it here. So now what you have to do, let me make this big. Now it is visible. So now you have to open your CMD. Now where I am in users in Vasu Gamer. So as you can see, I am already in Vasu Gamer. So I have to go to download and in this folder. So what you have to do, cd Jenkins war file is folder name. So by pressing tab, it automatically fills the detail, the name. Now I am in this folder, as you all can see, in this folder Jenkins war file. So now you have to run a command. The command is java hyphen jar Jenkins. Now you have to write the name of file, Jenkins war. So that is your name of file which you have downloaded. So now it's time to press enter to run this command. Now as you can see that something is going on, some processing is going on. So now you can see Jenkins initial setup is required and admin user has been created and password generated. Please use the following password to proceed to installation. Now you don't have to close it, you just have to minimize this like this, because the moment you close this you can't open your Jenkins. Now you have to go back. Now you have to write here, not here, here you have to write local host colon 8080. You have to open this local colon 8080 login. So now as you can see, please wait while Jenkins is getting ready. Your browser will reload automatically when Jenkins will ready. So wait for some time. So as you can see that it is still running, and now unlock Jenkins. You have to please copy the password from either location and paste it below. So what you have to do, you have to highlight this and press Ctrl plus C. Alright, Ctrl plus C. Now it's time to paste here, paste. So this is your password. Now you have to click here, continue, on continue, never. Now you have to install plugins, customize Jenkins plugins, extend Jenkins with additional feature, needs to support many different needs. Okay, so now you have to install, select, either you can select plugin or you can install suggested plugin. I will prefer this suggested one. So click on this, install suggested plugins. Now as you can see that all of these plugins are installing, so let them install. Wait for few minutes. These are some important plugins which Jenkins automatically installs by default, so let it be installed. Now your all plugins are installed successfully, and now it's time to enter username, whatever username you want. Let me write anything you can write, and password should be this. So now you have to fill all your details here. Now it's time to save and continue. Now your every time your URL should be localhost colon 8080. Now it's time to save and again continue. Jenkins is ready. Your Jenkins setup is complete. Start using Jenkins. So now it's time to start using Jenkins. As you all can see, welcome to Jenkins. So I am successfully logged in into my Jenkins account. So there is my username, as you all can see. Alright, so I think this video helps you a lot, as I showed to you in this video. Download that war file, and if you close this, the moment I close this, let me close this. Okay, now it's time to open the browser again. Now if I write here local host Jenkins dashboard, so now if I run this, as you all can see, site can't be reached. But the moment I run that command in CMD, where is my CMD? So first I need to go to my Jenkins folder, Jenkins. Now press tab. Now again you have to write command java jar and your Jenkins file, Jenkins. Now as you can see that this is running. Now if I start this, if I refresh again, let me see it is running or not. So now you can see it is running. So let me see. Please wait while Jenkins is getting ready. Now you can see if I write my username, so my username is this. Now as you can see that I am again logged in my Jenkins dashboard successfully, Jenkins account successfully. So try this method, and you will be find success soon. So this video is all about to install Jenkins and to create an account on Jenkins. From the next video I will be showing you how to use Jenkins, how to create a CI/CD pipeline. I will start from basics from the next video. I think this is enough for my video. Let me close this. If I close this only, let me close. If I refresh this again, now you can see it is loading. This site can't be reached. So make sure that you do the same way I did in this video. Just copy my way. I think this is all about for today. Bye for now.